These are my inputs, and so you do your multiplications here, but then you also do your multiplications here as well. So this would be my input. This guy right here would be my current hidden layer, and then we're adding the product of the old hidden layer, and then we're finally connecting that to our output. Okay, so let me use our handy dandy colors here. So if our input is a 1-row 4-column vector, and we're multiplying it by, actually let me define a few other parameters or a few other variables here. So our input size is 4. Our hidden layer is 3 nodes, and then our output is 4, meaning that the weights that connect our input and our output will have to be a matrix size of input to hidden will have to be size of 4 by 3, right? And then the one that connects hidden to hidden will have to be a 3 by 3. And then the one that connects hidden to output will have to be a 3 by 4. Okay, now armed with that knowledge, what we'll do is, it's a lot more difficult than I thought. So our input is a 1 by 4, then we multiply it by our current hidden layer. Our current hidden layer is, so input to hidden, it's a 4 by 3. So we multiply it by that 4 by 3. This gives us a matrix of 1 by 3. Okay. This is for t. Now for t minus 1, what we have is we have this old hidden layer. So this will also be a 1 by 3. And then what we're doing is we're multiplying it by our hidden, which is a 3 by 3. Which gives us another 1 by 3 matrix. And then what we do is we then add these two together. That gives us still a 1 by 3 matrix. And then finally, that 1 by 3 matrix, we add some more color into here, addition. And so then finally that 1 by 3 matrix, what we then do is we then multiply it by the 3 by 4 matrix for hidden to output. And eventually what that gives us is, eventually it will give us an output of 1 by 4. Holy crap, okay. Now we have to translate all that into Excel.